3D printing the golden eagles seen on the Thomas and Friends episode was an idea from one of my followers who left a comment. Thank you very much for the idea. And it's a really large size. Well, it's not so small, but it's a good size model. Thank you for the idea. If you want to have your ideas 3D printed, let me know so I can do that in the next upcoming videos. I might not do everything, but I will try. Remember, it takes time to design and 3D print all these models, like this large bridge from Neville's bridge. Remember, this is not two track, it's one track only, it's a prototype, but it takes a lot of time to create 3D print each model. But I will consider all your comments and I will try to follow. But keep commenting so I can look again to your comment and then 3D print it and make it a reality. So shout out to everybody for the comments and the ideas.